Yo, what's up, guys? It's Jordan here with Curated Heat, and due to popular demand, we're going to go ahead and show you some of our favorite movie tees from our personal collections. So, stick around. Alright, let's get to it. So first up, we got the all-over print Jurassic Park shirts.
These are both from 93. It's actually both of our birth years.
Oh, how'd you get one?
It's a good shirt. Next up is Star Wars all-over print liquid blue tees.
Gotta have them.
Two insane prints.
Gotta have one. Jar Jar Binks theory, feel me?
Conehead movie tees. One all-over print.
That is
from
a
93.
banger.
Shout out Vintage Predator for this one here.
That's an absolute banger.
The Mars Attacks.
Love this movie, man. Is this a cult movie?
Yeah.
I would say it's a cult movie.
Classic, yeah.
Cult classic.
Tim Burton.
Super fire.
His has the back print, mine does not.
Super fire.
Next up is Men in Black.
The bug squashing shirts out.
Will Smith is a favorite actor of mine since I was a kid.
Both from 97.
I actually like his a little bit more, I'd say. Probably just because it's single stitch.
We got the cricket. We both have the guns on them though, like the dope guns. We got that from the end scene, and this is the one he didn't want. So this is actually Aiden's. This is actually Aiden's. This one is not mine. A couple tees are Aiden's in this collection. This is one that Aiden got when we had first started out, and dude, he got it for an insane steal on eBay. And to this day, I cannot find this exact shirt anywhere else. So please comment below if you can comment a link or anything to this shirt, because I would love to just see it on the internet again. So comment definitely a link if you have like seen it.
Never seen another one. Beetlejuice.
I
Giant
love that
tag.
shirt.
I'm sure most of you have seen this movie. It's actually an early 2000s make. You won't see many of the 80s versions of this shirt, but I had to grab this one. It's probably Michael Keaton's best performance in my opinion.
Oh, yeah.
He's hilarious in it. So
this is actually like one of my most probably like personally slept on favorites. It was a gift from Aiden. So gotta love that. It's got the blue Disney tag, single stitched. I want to say this has got to be from like the later 80s. So I don't know if it was for the show they had at Disney or the movie. I personally just count it as the movie. So there you go.
next for me is Michael Myers, Halloween. It's on the M&O knits. It's got a good back print.
Titanic, single stitch, good tag. No back, but it's good. It's good enough for me. It's a classy picture. Leo, you know, had to get it.
Up next for me is one of my personal favorites out of my movie tees. It's American Psycho. No back print, but I love the imagery on the blade there. It's an awesome performance by Christian Bale, so I had to grab this one.
We got another classic, which I'm sure if you guys like Mars Attacks and Coneheads, you will love, which is the Mortal Kombat movie tee. Single stitch. It's the front hip, but it's a great overall. Just watched this the other day.
This is Desperado. This movie will always
Now
be good.
that is always a great movie.
Back print is so sick. Basically right from the cover. So, yeah. I know he's kind of envious of
Banger.
this one, but
That's a banger.
one day we'll
Banger
make a
alert.
trade for it, you know?
Yeah, I'll get it. All right, so this one is actually a pretty crazy piece. This is a 1990 Pixar, and this is actually Tin Toy, which was kind of like the digital animated short that they made that got
It's their
Toy
first
Story.
animation, right?
Yeah, it was their first
Yeah.
animation. So it's basically what got Toy Story green lit. I've only seen one other online, and it's going for around $400. I'll probably never get rid of mine. I'm gonna keep it a secret where I got it. So
Next up for me, probably my best movie tee that I own. It's actually my most recent edition as well. If nobody's ever seen this movie, I highly recommend seeing it. It's ultra violence, but it's shot really well. It's very unique and different, so definitely check it out if you have the chance.
just another classic. I like to rock a lot of like classic shirts that I liked when I was, a kid and stuff like that. So 93 Wizard of Oz. Again, 93, that's when like I was born. So for some reason that timestamp really resonates with me.
It's a 1997 Selena Movie Tee. She was murdered by her best friend and partner, and it's pretty tragic. And so when I was able to get this, I just got it. I like the colors on it, and she's loved by everyone.
Speaking about loved by everyone's mom, at least. Got that Legends of the Fall, Brad Pitt. I couldn't pass it up, man. I mean, dude, everybody's mom loves this shirt.
There's something about Mary. Great Ben Stiller movie. A lot of people probably haven't seen this movie. It's hilarious. I definitely recommend it. I honestly didn't even know it existed, so I was surprised when I saw it, and I had to grab it. It's for a good deal too.
All right, so I have a couple rap tees that will also be in our rap tee collection vlog, but they're also movie tees as well, such as this one, Thin Line Between Love and Hate. Pretty crazy lineup on there. I mean, R. Kelly is pretty crazy in general, for real. So
this one's Pocahontas. Great colors, great graphic on here.
Another rap tee style, Waiting to Exhale, Whitney Houston. So a lot of these ones, if they happen to be like starring rappers or musicians, they will make these like rap tee styles, which I like a lot because it's movie tees and it's rap tees. So Whitney, who doesn't love Whitney?
Goofy movie. I think we've all seen this one as kids. It's a really great movie, great colors, single stitching. I haven't seen too many of these. Pretty rare tee. A lot of people actually hit me up for this when I first got it. It'll never leave my collection, so it's staying with me forever.
Alright, and then last up in my little rap tee movie tee thing is this one. It's a Master P. And the front is, you know, undoubtedly a rap tee, but the back is actually, I got the hookup, which I don't know if a lot of people know about that movie, but it was like his movie from like '98. And if you guys have seen like the Lil Wayne movie Baller Blockin', then you know exactly probably what this movie is as well. So
Toy Story, Buzz Lightyear to Infinity and Beyond. It's a really great tee. Actually got it from Jordan a while back. Just recently found out that it's actually Stanley DeSantis tee, movie tee. It's missing the tag, but I've seen another one with the same tag, so it's good to know.
And lastly, but sure as hell not least, is this awesome Taxi Driver Super Distressed. This is Aiden's. It was mine. I got it in a trade early on in thrifting and reselling, and I actually gifted it to Aiden, kind of as like a shock gift because he's my best friend and I love him. I love the distressing on it, and it's just super dope. One more thing before we go. This is probably my favorite movie tee that I own right now. It's in a lot of like girl sizes, so it's incredibly hard to get it in an XL. If you can find this shirt in an XL, please comment the link below and I will buy it for free. So thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed our collection.
For any of you guys wondering, the pieces that we're showing today are actually not for sale. They're part of our personal collection. One day they might be for sale, but not anytime soon. But we're going to take the time to show you some pieces that we have in store that are actually movie tees as well that will be available for purchase.
Make sure to like, comment, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe. Goodbye.
I'm a natural tenor.
Make sure to follow Carry Heat for more content and story sales or something like that.
Take that shoe off.